Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to talk about giraffes. Giraffes are another animal that you would find on the savannah in Africa. The book I have here, I found on the ARC bookshelf. If you go into Clever, like you go into to get to Dreambox, you'll see ARC bookshelf. And I clicked on that and I went to the 1G. This happens to be a 1G book. And I found this giraffe book. So it's called Giraffes Like to Eat. And I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. Here's our title page. And as you can see, here's our 1G and some things that you need to know to read the book. Giraffes like to eat. This is a giraffe. Giraffes eat. Giraffes eat leaves. Giraffes eat and eat and eat. Giraffes have 2 eyes. They can see the leaves up in the trees. Giraffes have big necks. They can get the leaves up in the trees. Giraffes have big tongues. This is how they get leaves to eat. Giraffes like to eat this tree, and this tree is called an acacia tree, and I believe they're the type of tree that you would find on the savannah. Giraffes can eat the leaves and the sticks. Lots of animals can eat the leaves. They can't eat the sticks. Giraffes can eat the sticks. Look at all the giraffes. Giraffes are big. Giraffes are little. He eats the leaves up here. She eats the leaves down here. The little giraffe can't eat the leaves. The big giraffe will get leaves for the little giraffe. All the giraffes will get to eat. Giraffes like to eat. And here is a page about giraffe facts. So all of these are things about giraffes. Like this one, giraffes can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. That's a lot. Giraffes can kick a lion with just one kick. So I think a giraffe may be an animal that a lion would not want to mess with. Let's see what else. Oh, look at this one. A giraffe can run up to 35 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. And here, giraffes live in Africa, south of the Sahara Desert in the grasslands, and that's where the savannah is. So you can read more about giraffe facts. And the next page is some word attack strategies. These are, if you're going to read this book by yourself and you come to a word that you don't know, here are some strategies that you can use. You can stop if something doesn't look right or make sense. Think about what's happening in the picture, in the story. Look at the picture. Remember, say the first sound. Get your mouth ready. We worked on that at school. Always go back and reread. Go back, reread, and try again. And remember, we talked about this. If you come to a word you don't know, just say blank and keep on reading. And that may help you with your words. And then look right here. A lot of power words. There were a lot of power words in this story. And it says, how many can you read? So check and see if you can read all these power words that the giraffes are eating on their leaves. And the next page is about the author. This is the author, Matt Rear. I actually met him. I went on a conference last year with Miss Marks, and some of the ARC, the 100 Book Challenge people were there, and I actually met him. I got a picture with him. So he wrote a lot of our books that were in our baskets at school. So Matt Rear wrote the book, and this is the girl Katie Axt. She's the designer, which I'm assuming that she probably took the pictures and helped lay out the pictures on the pages. So she kind of designed the book. And there is the back of the book. So this book you can find in the ARC bookshelf, along with many other books. There are some, and at the end of this PowerPoint, you'll see I put a few books on there that you can go back through and look at. There are some yellow books. There's some 1G green books, 2G books, and there's even some 1B blue books about safari animals, and especially some books about giraffes. So I hope you enjoyed the story and keep on reading.